Today I stand before you to share the historical significance of my life and presidency. Join me on a journey through the defining moments that shaped my legacy. Firstly, I was honored to serve as the 10th President of the United States of America. As the first Vice President to succeed to the presidency due to the death of a sitting president, my presidency marked a significant moment in our constitutional history. Secondly, I was an advocate for the expansion and annexation of Texas. Through determined efforts, I paved the way for the admission of Texas as the 28th state of the Union, expanding our nation's borders and influence. Thirdly, I promoted the idea of manifest destiny, a belief that the United States was destined to stretch from coast to coast. This concept shaped our nation's expansionist policies and contributed to the growth and development of our great country. Fourthly, I successfully resolved the dispute over the Maine-Canada boundary through diplomacy. The Webster-Ashburton Treaty of 1842 established a lasting agreement that peacefully settled the border issue between the United States and Great Britain. Lastly, I championed the fiscal policies of limited government and vetoed several bills that I believed exceeded the scope of federal power. I believed in preserving the principles of states' rights and a strict interpretation of the Constitution. As I reflect upon my life and the legacy I leave behind, I am grateful for the opportunities to serve this great nation. May my dedication to expansion, diplomacy, and constitutional principles inspire future generations to continue the pursuit of liberty and progress. Let us remember the contributions of those who came before us and work tirelessly to build a brighter future for all Americans.